from the providers Leominor. It's a water pick. Out of the box, nicely sealed and packed, a cleaning brush, a USB-C compliance cable, 3 feet long or more. Sealed is in the package, all your picks, an angle straight brush, an angle cone brush, an angle pick, a wider angle pick, and a tongue scraper. And last but least, your water pick controller container all in one. The unit has 5 modes. It has the black on black buttons in the back and the 5 modes, your on and off, and the mode changer and LED lights. As we press on the back button, memory stored, a short press is mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to 1. On mode number 3, shutting off and pressing back on mode number 3. On the front of the unit to drain and fill is opening up the cover, pouring in the water, and closing. On the bottom are 2 opening doors to release and remove. With the brush allows for cleaning all the way up to the top. With the D-shaped O-ring back onto the cover and locking up the correct way is simply placing back on and locking each of the doors. On the top of the unit is a slide button to attach your tongue scraper on securely and operate the machine. Refilling with water or your ingredients is simply adding in. And closing down and ready to use. On the front of the unit is a silicone door cover for the USB-C charging area. Pressing the on button, the water sprays, demonstrating the tongue scraper. We'll demonstrate the fine cone by releasing, snapping in, and pressing. We'll demonstrate the modes. Mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The dental water pick machine, easy to recharge and use. On the back of the machine it has a charging indicator in blue. I hope you enjoy your water pick machine for the bathroom needs. Thank you for viewing.